Similar to your addition formulae, your double angle formulae is given to you on your formula sheet. And again, similar to addition formulae, you won't always be told that it is a double angle formulae question. You're expected to be able to spot it. It is quite straightforward. With a double angle formulae, you are looking for this double angle, so you're looking for this 2x. As soon as you see that, you should be looking at your formula sheet to figure out which expansion you're going to be using. So, for this first example where we're told that cos x is 1 over root 3 and we have to find the exact value of cos 2x, when you look on your formula sheet, you can automatically rule some examples or some expansions out. So your first option would be that cos 2x is equal to cos squared x minus sin squared x. Now this question only refers to cos x, we don't have any sin x, therefore that wouldn't be a suitable expansion because we don't know how to get the sin x squared. Similarly, 1 minus 2 squared x wouldn't be appropriate in this example because again we don't know the sin x value. So your only option, your only expansion that you can use with this one is that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. So because it only talks about cos up here, we can only use the expansion that has cos in it. So from there we can start to substitute in. So keep in mind that cos squared x is the same as cos x squared. We're going to have 2, 1 over root 3 squared minus 1. 1 over root 3 squared, so 1 times 1 gives us 1 on the top. Root 3 times root 3, remember, just gives you 3 on the bottom. And we can still take away 1. That gives you 2/3, take away 1, which leaves you with negative 1/3. And that's your final answer. So the exact value of cos 2x is negative 1/3. In this next example, we're given a sin x. So for this one, it wouldn't make any sense to use the expansion we've just used. There's no reason for you to be using 2 cos squared x minus 1 because this one refers to sin x. Again, cos squared x minus sin squared x wouldn't be a sensible expansion because again we don't know the cos. So in this one, our only sensible expansion would be the one that involves sin only. So 1 minus 2 sin squared x. Okay, so you can rule your expansions out. There will be occasions where you have information on sin x and cos x, in which case it is entirely up to you which one you use. But sometimes, like in these two cases, there is a specific one that you have to use. So again, remember that sin squared x is the same as sin x squared. So we've got 1 minus 2 root 5 squared. That gives us 1 minus 2 times by, so 2 times 2 gives us 4, root 5 times by root 5 gives us 5. Keep simplifying, that gives us 8 over 5, 1 minus 8 over 5, which gives us negative 3 over 5. So the exact value of cos 2x when sin x is 2 over root 5 is negative 3/5.